Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, we are trying out the AI feature that is now embedded with the VS Code, and this is Microsoft Copilot. Here in this first pane, we have a Perl code. This code we have already used in our Perl series, and we have taken the code directly from there. Here at the bottom, we have the terminal. That means this is the actual path of this particular code. And here we can do the Linux command line operations. Now, what we will do today, we will be using the command line prompt here with the AI to give instruction to the Copilot to make changes in this code and especially in this array. We will create another hash from this array and print it, and the code will be written by the Copilot AI, and after that we will run the code here in this terminal to see the output. So let's begin. Here we have the array. Let me copy the name, and here I write the prompt. Let me copy this. So I'm still writing the command here. I'll read out after I have finished. So here I have written the command line instruction to the Copilot AI that create a hash from the array where the values are taken as each element, such as I have given an example. Name the key automatically in the hash. After creating the hash, create two print commands, one with the data dumper module, another using foreach loop. So we will run this entire instruction through the Copilot AI to generate the next section of the code. So let me hit this send button. You can see it is at the working state. So it is having the communication with the Copilot AI, and you can see that it has finished here, right? And in the left hand side, we can see the new code. You can see the color difference in the code here. And now let me mark it. So here, printing the array as a whole. Here you can see this new part is entered. Create a hash with automatic keys. And here it has defined the hash using a for loop. It has taken the hash, and after that the code is there, the previous code, right? And if I scroll down, you can see that here the array earlier was printed there like this, and here you can see the new hash which is created as per our instruction here is getting printed in the first way using the dumper. Then we have instructed it to create using foreach loop, the printing using the foreach loop. So the next section here is updated here. So these two parts are automatically coded by the Copilot AI, right? So here we have given the instruction explicitly, and by taking own example part, and this is how in one shot lines of code is written within very few moments, almost less than a minute. And now we will keep this code. I'll click here to save this. I'll keep this code. So the part of the code is now added. So you can see first there was an array, now the new key, then the previous printing command exists here, and just after that the hash printing command using the dumper module is there. Next we have the printing of the hash using a foreach loop. So let me go to file, then save. So that I save the file. Now I go to the terminal. I'll click here ls. You can see the file is here. I will have to make it executable, so that I'll give the Linux command line prompt, and then I copy the file name. So this will make the Perl file executable. Let me clear the screen and let me run the Perl file. So now let me show you here how the things have executed and what part of the code, right, we are having. As we have executed the code, you can see first the array structure is printed, which is simply the line this, and then the dumper is printing the array. So here you can see first element, second element, and the third element of the array. This is the output of this particular dumper. Now let me scroll down, and here is the hash structure. So this hash structure is printed. First you can see this line is here, the hash structure using dumper, and then using the dumper module to print the hash, that is the key, okay, E and the value, E and the value. All the key value pairs inside the hash, which has been created by this command to the Copilot, is getting displayed using the dumper module. Now if I scroll further and this code also, here I can see that this section where I have instructed to print using the foreach loop, this part is created. So hash content using foreach. So hash content using foreach, so key 1 and then the value 1. Here you can see this is a kind of road, and similar type of nomenclature are there, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. And the key 2 and the row, that is the array element, that is apple, orange, banana, all the fruits are there. And key number 3 and the value is keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer. So all three different categories are clubbed in one particular value, and it is associated with this particular key. So this way, both the dumper module prints the hash, new hash, and the foreach loop prints the hash. So you can see the entire operation we have modified with the help of the Copilot AI terminal that we have integrated last to last episode inside the VS Code. And we have given a simple command line, that means the simple instruction, by copying the array name, by copying the elements, and what we want to do explicitly as text. And that has been immediately performed here in this code window in the VS Code. And then we run the code to test the output here in the terminal. So this way, you can use the VS Code along with the Copilot AI, along with your existing code, change it, modify it, or you can start writing a code from the scratch and you can test the code also. So we are done with the code experiment today we are going to do here. Thank you very much for watching up to this point, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In case you have some dislikes, put that as in words in the comment section down below, and bye for today.